Hey guys, welcome to Coding with DG. In this video we are going to talk about the if statement and how it works in programming. So we are going to use the examples in JavaScript, but it applies to all the languages that you can learn in programming. Okay, so let's go for it.
The if statement evaluates a condition. If it is true, one block of code is executed. Let's see an example. Let's say that we have a variable called let no if statement. And let's say that we assign true as a value. And then we use the control structure. If, open parentheses, no if statement is equals to true, and we are using triple equals, strict equality. In this case, with two equals will be the same, but it's a good practice to use triple equals. Close parentheses, and we are going to open a curly braces, okay? And inside the curly braces, we are going to put console.log quotes. This code is going to be executed. Semicolon at the end. Save it and refresh, and that's it. This code is going to be executed, is printed in our console. No if statement is true. So all the code that is between our curly braces, that block of code is executed. When we are using a control structure and asking if a Boolean variable is true or not, we don't need to specify the equals true. So we can remove this part of the condition, right? And it will be exactly the same. We can save it, and here we are, exactly the same result. Great. Optionally, we can execute a different block of code in case that the condition is not true, or in other words, is false. It is entirely optional, and we can do it adding an else at the end of the curly braces. So here we can put else and open another curly braces. Some people put the else in another line, like here. I really like to put in the same line that I'm closing the if statement, because in my way it's more legible, but it's up to you. It will work anyway. And inside the curly braces, I'm going to put the block that is going to be executed if or if statement that evaluation of the condition is false. So we are going to put console.log, for example, control structures are great. Semicolon, save it, and we have the same result. Why? Because this condition is being true. Now, if we change it and we put false instead of true and save it, control structures are great is executed. Control structures with a T. Save it, and here we are. Control structures are great. Now, this console.log is being executed, and as you can see, the first one, the one that is inside the if block, is not being executed because it's one block or the other. That's how the if-else statement works. We can put any type of condition and it will work fine. The key thing here is that the condition at the end must be true or false. Let's see some examples. We can try here in the console and put if 3 is less than 4, open curly braces, and we can put console.log, for example, 3 is less than 4. Yes. Press enter. And we had a problem here. The problem was that we did not close the curly braces, right? So we are having a problem here. I'm going to close it and press enter, and that's it. That's great. 3 is less than 4. Yes. Now, I'm going to expand this console. Here we are. We can try something else. We can try, for example, if this string is equals with 3 equals to this string, which is exactly the same, should be true. We're going to open curly braces, and here I press at the same time my keyboard Shift and Enter, and is to go to the next line in the console. I'm going to write here console.log. These strings are equal. Close quotes, close parentheses, semicolon. I'm going to put Shift and Enter and close curly braces. I'm going to continue writing else, open curly braces, Shift Enter, console.log. For example, we can put different strings. Close quotes, close parentheses, semicolon, Shift Enter, and close curly braces. Now you can put that curly braces in the same line and it will work fine, but it's just as an aesthetic to make more legible your code. Press enter, and these strings are equals because this string and this string are the same. Cool. That's all for this lecture. In the next videos, we are going to talk about other type of control structures.
That's it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please, if you like it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and any comment, any doubt, any suggestion that you can have, please leave it in the comments below. I will see you in the next one.